Previously, I showed you how to connect a basic Python script with robot. Now, I would like to bring your attention to examples which are being covered in the documentation, and I will start from full beam example. I will copy the code provided by the documentation, create a new file beam.py, paste the code, double check if the version of robot is correct, open a new blank model, save the file and execute. We can see beam is created. It's a free span beam calculated and bending moment is displayed as per example, and a screenshot of bending moment is taken. It requires a little bit of play with the view zoom and centering, but it can be done. The second example I want to cover is lattice tower. I will go to the lattice tower example, copy the code, back to the VS Code, new file tower.py, paste once again, double check if robot version is correct, go to robot, close the previous file, open a new blank file, and execute the script. You can see sections are being loaded from the database, and there is a nice summary of what is being created. Now, by rotating the view slightly, I can see the tower is being created, sections are being displayed and modeled as expected, and I hope this example shows you a little bit of capabilities of Robot Structural. Thanks for watching.